के लिए टॉपिक में आपका स्वागत है। तो गाइस, मैकेनिकल 2019 लेटेस्ट पेपर जो है उसका पार्ट 1 अपलोड कर चुका हूँ। अगर आपने नहीं देखा हो तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, तुरंत जाके पहले उसे देख लीजिए। उसके बाद ये पार्ट 2 में आइए। पार्ट 1 में 50 क्वेश्चन थे और पार्ट 2 में ये 51 से स्टार्ट है। तो गाइस स्टार्ट करते हैं। 1 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 पास्कल। Which of the following is a type of high pressure boiler? Velox boiler. In a reversible process, the entropy of a system remains the same. At sea level, the value of ATM pressure is close to 10.33 meters of water column. The work input of a compressor is minimum when the law followed by compressor is isothermal PV equal to C. The gas constants R is equal to the difference between two specific heats. An impulse turbine requires high head and small quantity of flow. 58. The critical pressure ratio of a convergent nozzle is defined as the ratio of the outlet pressure to the inlet pressure of the nozzle only when pass flow rate per unit area is maximum. 59. In a Rankine cycle, the work output from a turbine is change of enthalpy between the inlet and outlet. ये गाइस न्यूमेरिकल है, आप खुद देख लीजिए इसमें क्या लगेगा। एंथैल्पी 61. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज बॉयलर एसेसरीज? एयर प्रीहीटर। 62. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एडवांटेज ऑफ द लिक्विड कूलिंग सिस्टम एज कंपेयर टू एयर कूलिंग सिस्टम फॉर एन आईसी इंजन? यूनिफॉर्म कूलिंग। गाइस ये टेक्निकल पेपर है, अगर इसका नॉन टेक भी चाहिए तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बता देना। 63. Which of the following is a type of fire tube boiler? Cochrane boiler. 64. Considering frictional effect, the isentropic fluid flow becomes irreversible adiabatic flow. 65. The maximum amount of carbon present in low carbon steel, mild steel, is 0.3%. 66. Subcooling is a process of cooling the refrigerant in the vapor compression refrigerator system before the expansion valve. 67. Laminar flow is the called of streamline flow. 68. In a CI engine, the ignition delay period is counted from the start of injection to the point where the pressure time curve separates from the motoring curve. 69. Two parallel forces equal in magnitude, opposite in direction and separate by a definite distance are said to form a couple. Which of the following is not a component of a centrifugal pump draft tube? The jet ratio of a Pelton wheel D equal to pitch diameter of Pelton wheel और small d equal to jet turbine। तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा D/D। गाइस वीडियो बनाने में बड़ी मेहनत लगती है, गर्मी में बनानी पड़ती है, पंखे नहीं चला सकते ताकि आवाज़ नहीं हो, इसलिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना ताकि ऐसी वीडियो में और ला सकूँ। द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अ लुब्रिकेंट इज इट्स विस्कोसिटी। 73. In the ammonia water vapor absorption refrigeration cycle, the refrigerant used is NS3. A closed vessel in which steam is produced from water by combustion of fuel is called a boiler. 75. The weight density of a fluid to the weight density of a standard fluid is called specific gravity. 76. In a conventional Bourdon tube pressure gauge, the elastic elements used for converting pressure to deformation is of cross section elliptical. In centrifugal pumps, cavitation is reduced by reducing the suction head. The smallest section of a nozzle throat. Mathematically, strain is defined as deformation per unit length. 80 question. While transmitting power through a shaft is used to hold and support to the shaft bearing. 81. Which of the first stage of combustion in an SI engine? Ignition lag. 82. In a boiler, the device in which the base heat of the flue gases is utilized for heating feed water is called economizer. 83. Which of the following is not a type of boiler mounting superheater? 84. Crowning of a pulley is done to avoid slipping of the belt. 85. Which of the following is not a factor for selecting a type of boiler for particular application? Climate of region. 86. The continuity equation is based on which of the following conservation of mass? The hydraulic gradient line of the following fluid is represented by pressure head plus datum head. 88. The specific speed of the turbine is n under root p upon h की power 5/4. 89. The function of a is to maintain the speed of an IC engine without specific speed limits for varying load condition. Governor. 90. Which is the law that states that intensity of pressure of a point in a fluid at rest is the same in all direction? Pascal law. The force exerted by a jet of water on a stationary vertical plate in the direction of the jet is where rho equal to mass density of the liquid, A equal to cross sectional area of the jet, V equal to velocity of jet, rho a v square. 92. Increasing the compression ratio in SI engine, the detonation tendency increases. 93. The degree of reaction for Parsons reaction turbine is 0.5. 94. Is the platform in a furnace upon which fuel is burned grate? 95. The pulley which is used to increase the angle of contact is called a idler. 96. In 96 guys न्यूमेरिकल है, ये देख लीजिए आप खुद. Okay. 97. Which of the following types of impellers is used for centrifugal pump dealing with water containing slurry and sewage? तो इसका आंसर है ओपन इम्पेलर. 98. Which of the following is non-positive displacement type of compressor? Axial flow compressor. 99. Regenerative heating the thermal efficiency of a Rankine cycle. इसका आंसर है increase. 100. Which of the following is a part of Pelton wheel turbine nozzle? तो थैंक यू गाइस. ये जो है मेरा चैनल है क्लियर टॉपिक. गाइस यकीन मानिए आगे जो है आपको इतना बेनिफिट होगा क्योंकि